What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Guys, I got a little behind this week. I got a new camera, a new lens. I was trying to record, messed a few things up, so I didn't have a video ready for today. I went back and I got one of my best freestyle design videos. I don't really have anybody that gets designs anymore, so this video was dropped when I had about 150 subs. Doesn't have many views, so I'm gonna revoice over it, up to date. But if you guys were wondering, some of you guys have seen this. If you're a real OG and you've seen this video, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know. But anyway, let's get right to it. Alright, you guys wanted a freestyle design, so here you go. Pulled out this old video, one of my best I ever did on Jackson. You know, he doesn't get designs anymore. I don't have a whole lot of people that get designs, so had some of you guys ask for some design videos, so I busted this one out. I do have a couple more I've been working on, so I promise I'm gonna bring those soon. But anyway, guys, we're gonna jump right in with the gold FX. We're gonna go in, we're just gonna lightly sketch this in. A lot of times I see, you know, when you guys are sketching designs in, you want them to be hitting real hard, you wanna really see it first rip. And I just would advise you guys to do it little by little. You just want to start to sketch it in. Once you have it established, you can go in, you can thicken the lines up. So you guys can see very thin here, doing my basic layout. And I want you guys to see the angles of these Z's, if you want to call them Z's. I think about a lot of my designs as kind of like letters, so that's kind of like an N or a Z. The first one's definitely a Z. But you guys want very sharp angles. You don't want to get close to a 90-degree angle. You want to stay away from that as much as you can. So very sharp angles. This is one of those things that's hard to explain. I drew graffiti for a lot of years, and so that definitely taught me how to draw like this. But if I can just advise you guys, make sure your angles are real tight. You see how the skinnier the angle, how that makes that look. So I would definitely tell you to do that. Of course, like I said, do it little by little. You can see now that we're starting to blow it out, and you'll just see me gradually get this together, and then we'll go in and clean up the rest. We're gonna go ahead, we tapered the neck already, so we're gonna go ahead and line up around the ear, and then we will taper the sideburn here in a minute.
Perfect.
All right, so we're gonna continue to clean this up, and I wanna quote one of my guys, the Clouded Barber. If you guys aren't subscribed to him, go check him out. But he says when there's a line, you gotta do the top and the bottom. And I'm not sure exactly how he says it, but I think he says there's two sides to a line. So you guys wanna make sure you're touching up that top line, but that you're also flipping that trimmer upside down and cleaning the bottom line up as well. And you guys can see the quality here. This is one of my first videos, like I said. We're a little out of focus, you know. I've been working hard to learn how to get better. That's part of the reason I didn't have a new video today, because I'm still figuring out my camera and the autofocus. And to be honest, I forgot to hit record a couple times. I'm just trying to figure it out and get it down the best for you guys. So, but we're gonna go in here, we're gonna taper the sideburns, same steps. You guys can see a whole year ago, I was doing the same steps. So Slimline at the bottom, shaver under that. Then we'll do an open clipper on a wall cordless senior. Go ahead and close it up, take that bottom line out, then work halfway open above that. And then we'll use our one guard on the line above that. So I believe the side of his head is already a 1. So we're gonna use a closed 1 and go through that next line, and that will blend out the rest of this. And leave me a comment down below. Do you guys like Jackson's hair like this? Or do you like the crop top that we just did? And if you haven't seen that video, definitely check out the crop top video on Jackson's. We're gonna go in here with some Tomb45 Tennessee Barber Expo Shave Gel. I believe it's still available, guys. If you're from Tennessee, you definitely gotta have a bottle of this. And if you guys haven't tried it out, definitely check it out. So I'll just squeeze it on the line. That's one of the nice things about the squeeze bottle. We'll just squeeze it straight through on the line. Then I'll go in with my finger and rub it in. And now we're coming in with the Tomb45 triple cartridge razor, fully exposed. We're just gonna clean that line up. We don't wanna blow it up too big. And this is where you guys gotta be really careful. That's why it's really important to use shave gel. You don't wanna, you know, you can dry shave sometimes, but it's kind of for people with sensitive skin, it's kind of rough for them. And then if you have too much shave gel or it's way too slick on the sides, you run the risk of, you know, sliding past where you want to be. So you just want to take it slow, just edge that up little by little, and we're just going to clean that line up, and then we'll go in and do some color enhancement. Tim back there messing up my focus. If he get out of my video, keep walking in and getting that focus on him. So yeah, guys, I'm figuring out the autofocus versus manual focus on the new camera. And I just gotta tell you, I do have a couple videos coming and the quality is crazy. You guys are about to trip. So definitely stay tuned for that. But you guys can see this design coming together. You know, something simple, it can pop. It really makes this haircut look nice. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to do, you know, the whole side of the head. Just a little bit like that. You see, we just lit him up with some alcohol right there on the fresh razor design. He likes to think he's tough, so I think I threatened to spray him and he said, bring it on. I'm gonna go in and do some color enhancement. You guys can see this is the original enhancement card. No logos, no Tomb45. This is probably November, September, October, November of last year, somewhere around then. So hadn't even made the color cards yet. Like I said, when I dropped this originally, we had about 150 subs, but this is still my favorite design video that I've done. Even though I've done some more advanced ones, I just think this is super clean. So just like normal, guys, we'll use the enhancement card, use it where we need it. We'll use the corner right there. Then we'll use the C-cup curve to spray the C-cup. And then as we work through the design, we'll just use the straight edge and spray some color on this design and make it pop. And then you guys can check out the finished product. Yeah, guys, I didn't like how that corner landed, so I just went in with some alcohol, wiped it off, and then we're gonna come in and retouch that color enhancement. And I hope you guys are digging this video. I'll be totally honest, guys, I don't like that I had to post an old video, but like I said, I got a lot going on. I'm getting married in 3 weeks. I thought this was a dope video that a lot of you guys haven't seen, and I promise you, all these new videos coming are gonna be fire. So leave me a comment, like I said, if you like this video. Let me know if you like Jackson's hair like this or like the crop top. And make sure you guys are subscribed. I got lots of content coming. If you haven't checked out the Tomb45 Online Academy, definitely go check that out. I will put a link in the description. Get Beamed is going live next Monday, so make sure you guys sign up before then. And then I am next up August 10th. But there it is, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said, leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate all you guys watching. And I got a secret message here at the end for those of you who have stuck around. Guys, if you watch this video to the end, you got a super limited chance to grab a Seancutshair. See if you can still hear me. Super limited. I got 5 of these on the website. Head over Seancutshair.com. First 5 to get it. You guys can cop one of these. I am going to restock, but if you guys want to grab one, head over there as fast as you can and cop one. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace.